She sat on the floor of her small one-room house, her back against the wall, staring at the cracks in the ceiling. It was her birthday, 32. No cake, no calls, just silence. The kind that makes your chest feel heavy. The kind that creeps in at night and whispers, "You've failed." Anaya was once full of life. A school teacher in a village on the edge of Maharashtra. She used to smile while correcting homework, her sari tucked over her shoulder, hair tied in a lazy bun. But 3 years ago, everything cracked. Her husband, Sumit, died in a road accident, left her with a 6-year-old daughter and a mound of debt he never spoke of. She didn't cry at his funeral. She didn't know how. The next week, she sold her Mangal Sutra for school fees. The week after, she stopped drinking tea to save on milk. Some evenings, she stared at the roti in her daughter's hand and whispered to her stomach to be quiet. This wasn't how she imagined life would go. One morning, Anaya collapsed in front of her class. The headmaster sent her home. No sick leave, no pay. That night, she sat beside her daughter's bed, stroking her hair. Her daughter's tiny fingers reached out in her sleep and held hers tightly. That one touch broke something in her. Or maybe it stitched something back together. The next day, Anaya woke before sunrise. She made 15 rotis, packed them neatly, and walked 2 kilometers to the highway tea stall. She asked the man there, "Will you sell these? I'll take half." He looked at her, quiet for a moment. "Come at 6 a.m. every day, but make 30. Weeks passed, then months. She began selling rotis to truck drivers, shopkeepers, even the college boys waiting for buses. She wrapped them in banana leaves, wrote little notes in each packet. "Eat well, you are loved." Her daughter started waking up early to roll the dough. One morning, a college girl buying her roti said, "Didi, you remind me of my mother. She passed last year." Anaya didn't say anything, just handed her an extra one. One evening, after paying the electricity bill and buying a small yellow pencil box for her daughter, Anaya sat down on the same floor where her grief had once swallowed her whole. This time she was smiling, not because everything was perfect, but because she had kept going. Her journey wasn't a miracle. It was a choice to show up, even on the days she couldn't breathe, a choice to smile, even when her soul trembled, a choice to teach her daughter that strength isn't loud. It's quiet. It rolls dough with shaking hands and sells rotis wrapped in love. Her neighbor once asked her, "How do you do it? All alone?" She simply said, "I'm not alone. I have yesterday's version of me." And she didn't quit. You won't always feel strong. But strength isn't a feeling. It's a decision. When life breaks you open, fill the cracks with grace. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more stories like this.